Music, where we premiere all music.
Anywhere we there, anywhere we there, anywhere we there, anywhere we there, anywhere we there. Tell them. Don't care the place or time. Anywhere we there, we will vibes. Yeah, we will vibes Wherever it is, we feel the vibe. We be turning it up. Oh, whether it's cold or warm sunshine, we still turning it up. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, we turn up the vibe anywhere that we go. Oh, oh.
Get out of here.
Yeah, we level up.
Get out of here.
Give me the fire.
So you don't know people, let me see what I go on. Major school me just a while ago. You know what I mean? I don't know, you know what I mean? D major just school me in the courts. It's alright, we gotta have a real celebrity game.
Youngs have a little shot. Nah, like, yeah man, have a little jumper.
We gotta reintroduce a celebrity game, a CT. He might have home court advantage. This is where he's from, this is high school him go. A primary school that he went to, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Look at the hills right now, red hills.
Yeah man.
So you know we're outside, you know, we hold a little breather now, correct things now.
Yeah.
And we are gonna want to see my life just a while ago. It wasn't right. But we are correct it right now. So major, ladies, them singer. You know what I mean? Just talk about the start right now. I know you mentioned going to this school right here. Which is the school name is what?
This is St. Richard's Primary School.
Yeah.
It's very sentimental to me, if you want to say, you know, because this is where I really start. Get to know life for myself, you know what I say?
Okay.
So I passed my first exam for go high school here.
Okay.
You know what I say? So this school will have a whole lot of memories for me.
So you, man. I'm guessing you grew up in this community?
Close by, Avondale side.
Avondale,
yeah,
all right.
Avondale, Meadowbrook.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're that people.
Yeah, man.
So did you find it hard, like, you know, coming to this side and, you know, interacting with the students then, man? Was it like, you know what I mean, was it like a thing to say, yo, you over there, our community over here?
Oh, no, man.
It was very welcoming.
But it showed me the different sides.
Yeah.
That which was the best thing, you know. I get to interact with, you know, some of my brethren them come from, you know what I'm saying, the garrison them.
Yeah.
You know, so we get a balance and we get exposed to certain things from early.
Yeah.
You know, so we have sense to it and we could make our own choices, you know what I say?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So after the journey of primary and going to high school, which part did the singing music thing come into your life now?
I want to tell you, it started here. You want to go and play? Go on.
What's the youngin' right here? You know what I mean? Future.
Yeah, I was like his age when I started coming here.
Yeah.
The question was what again?
Yeah. You go from primary to high school, right?
Yeah.
So when did D major find himself as an artist, D major, the singer?
Oh, well, I want to tell you, so the music, the love for music and thing, it started here, you know.
Yeah.
But I never understand, so I have a voice. Them time,
Yeah.
But when I tell you music, listen to my mother, her tapes and her records and thing and mimic them.
True.
So may I say?
So what kind of tapes that, right? Was it like?
Beres Hammond them and
okay.
her thing them and some Anita Blake and some whole heap of R&B. My mother used to love R&B, so I think that had the influence in me.
It's an R&B. The real R&B, like the soul's R&B.
Yeah, man, the real R&B.
All right. I don't want to get confused because people don't nowadays think R&B is different.
The R&B, the soul's R&B and the old school, the little older school too.
Yeah.
So them things that me I listen and I mimic them, but me never know. Me probably did that treat my voice sometimes, not knowing.
Yeah.
Seeing them go high school now, I'm a virgin of hear me about mid-high school. You know, you beat on this as a youth.
Doing lunch on.
Yeah, every lunch them come for me as a singer.
Yeah.
And I say, man, you know, you sound good. If my friend them in high school tell us you sound good, you sound good. God, I'm very honest.
All right, that's good.
So, yeah, man.
So you have it. So we ask you about this though. You have any of them friend them still like, you know what I mean? Any of them you still?
Of course.
All right, that's good.
Friend them link up same way, man.
All right, so you say you used to train your voice with the girls them. The girls them used to hear your voice at high school and fall in love them times.
Honestly, it's a all boy school, but we used to go
okay.
to the other girls' school them.
Yeah.
But I might bridging them now, because I remember them brutally honest, you know. So if them tell us, yo, nobody with that, not ready yet.
Yeah.
Them not saying out in the world for going back to say.
Right.
So when we go to immaculate concert, them know, and they think that may tell us, hey, youngs, it's Michael Jackson pieces, man.
Yeah.
Because when I imagine an all-girls school,
Yeah.
I prove and I scream at the top of them lungs.
Yeah.
Man, so
Must be a nice
we used to
look.
go mash up them concerts and them things, man.
Let me ask you, so is there any like singer from who's in the business right now who you support with back then or any other artists who you can say you went to school with, or was your
When
competition,
I was
or
in school, David and them was in a group when I was in school.
Yeah.
ARP.
yeah.
Yeah, somebody know David from that time.
Okay,
But we were in school still.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So when did you find out, say, yo, my voice? Like, we know your friend them tell you, say, your voice,
Yeah.
body, you can't take when did you believe in yourself, say, all right, I'm ready, like, any show? What was like the first concert, the first performance you ever done? Do you remember that?
Antigua. I was in a group as well and we went to Antigua.
What's the group name? You remember it?
Yeah man, QT, Quality and Togetherness. So we went
Okay.
to Antigua. We and Sean Paul and like a few local acts.
Yeah.
So the local acts them perform. Big show in the stadium man, in the cricket stadium.
Okay.
You know, this is the first time I travel as an artist and we going to the stadium, brother, I tell you, say, we start perform as Jamaican youth them man and I start sing and they me say this that's a joke this. You know, cause you don't know what to expect, you know, it's my first time. And we opened the segment for Sean Paul.
And Sean Paul?
So the whole local act them perform, the local favorite them and then Sean Paul the headliner.
Yeah.
So you know the people them in a foolishness. So
let me just squeeze in one thing. What time of Sean Paul career was this? Like what song that you play sometime?
Yeah, Give Me the Light never break internationally yet.
But around them time.
But close to it.
Alright,
Close to them times.
So you see the
Yeah,
journey.
Man. Yeah man, close to them times. Sean Paul a big artist will break already.
Yeah.
And him have the song with Vegas too. I remember he was leaving that show to go shoot. The
Which
video.
one? The DMX one? Here comes
song
the boom.
with Vegas.
DMX or the chill la 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 boom bum. Yeah, alright,
He
remember.
never leave to go shoot that video.
Yeah.
There you go.
Alright, so you hear the history. So after leaving Antigua now, return to Jamaica.
I'm telling you, we are little youth too. You see me? We are young youths to them time and thing. You see me?
So that was your first major experience as an artist.
Traveling,
So you reach back on the ground now, you said full time or what? Was that time you said?
Yeah man, I'm in love with it that much I feel that now at the time.
Yeah.
You know what I say? But we finish off some schooling and things at the same time, but we done in love with it already, man. I know, so this, but I have to do something regarding music somehow.
So like, who was some of the first acts you worked with, like producers and some of the artists them? I know you say you was in a group.
Yeah.
When
original name Ernie Wilkes. He used to play in a caution band.
Okay.
Guitarist.
Yeah.
I start recording with them and then they end up a big yard early, you know.
Okay.
But the group, we used to go for Beres Hammond.
Yeah.
For Stony Hill. You know, sing some
That's
background
harmonies.
Yeah, so this is how I get the studio
I would have
experience now.
never noticed.
Yeah.
See, I learned from the king himself.
Yeah, man. And this is singing background on some of his songs.
Yeah.
You know. So
on tracks or stage only?
No, on the tracks.
On
On the records.
okay.
Yeah.
I would have never known.
Yeah, man. So.
Can we name some of the tracks or?
I don't even know the song them, I don't know if them release or what.
Yeah.
But them time then remember this valuable now, you know.
Yeah.
First time on this and yeah, sing for some of them songs them well. He might help you out, he might tell you say, alright, sing the part, we have a double track it. So we get to understand what is double track.
Ad-libs,
over everything.
harmonizing.
So as college we got to write this one.
Yeah.
You know what I say? Yeah man.
That's out of all schooling to get as a singer.
Yeah man,
After
oh
the
God
right
man,
schooling.
which was better homework you'll get than that.
So what's your relationship with Beres now? Like, you still see him, man, you know what I mean?
That man,
Still part, that's
about
good.
a month ago I go check the dads, you know?
Alright, that's
Yeah,
good,
man.
that's good.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you don't know people, you just premiere music, D major, just getting to know the artists.
Yeah.
So after that, no, you still was in a group them time, you do the harmonization for Beres.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? After that, no, where did the solo artists come in, no? The career, where did that take
So
off?
after a while, we did the cabaret shows and weddings and all them something.
Yeah.
But I did feel I need for record my own songs, you know?
Yeah.
And release, write and record. And you know, 5 different brothers, 5 different minds. So everybody they kind of start have them desire to do what they want to do, which is no problem. And we part from no animosity vibes.
Yeah.
And that is how we start most record with Ernie Wilkes for a little while and then we end up a big yard.
Yeah.
Yeah man, virgin name Iceman.
Iceman, big up Ice.
Yeah man, big up Iceman every time man. Him hang out a big yard and him say, me if come through still.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go through one day and dead. See? And then the second day me turn up. Robert Livingston.
Oh gosh.
See me?
Yeah.
So that you know Robert Livingston a big yard,
Yeah.
Shaggy, everything.
Yeah.
Management.
Big names that.
Oh yeah, some of them see me, but so you can't have a big yard property and not doing something meaningful. So I'm saying, Virginia who are I'm telling him say D major, whatever. I'm saying D major. Where you sing, With a name like that, you're supposed to can sing. Alright, see a rhythm here. Write a song and come back tomorrow and hear we have.
For real.
Write the song, go back the next day, record it.
What was the song?
History.
What was the song?
Among the Angels.
Among the Angels.
It was on the rhythm name. I don't remember the name of the rhythm now. But that is how the big yard relationship formed. And from that now, Shaggy said, yeah, singer, your body, you know. Man, you come tour with me.
Yeah.
And then we go do a tour with Shaggy. It's my first tour, Yanks.
Yeah.
First ever time a tour.
Yeah.
I don't call them weekend show the tour. Like someone probably call them tour. I don't tour that.
No.
They just go do a one spot show.
And followed back.
Tour for 3 months. Imagine me I leave
oh,
me out for 3 months.
Is that country to country tour or state?
European.
European.
I went to Africa twice. During the
In that same tour. Jeez.
Yeah, man. Grew
So how was that like? You away from Jamaica for the first time for that long?
Yeah, man.
How was
So this now are the real university now. How
Yeah.
touring go. You get to see how the thing set up your rider. You get to see as you come off a stage sometimes you just have to head to the bus.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
Sometimes you have some days off. You know me I say? You have to go. Why you think me work out? You have to truck, you have to move with your back all through the airport somewhere.
True,
You have to lift up
true.
your bag and I put on bus.
They don't
all
see
kind
that
of thing.
part of it. They don't see
you
that part of
that part. Sometimes we are changing at the bus car. We are drive from how much hours to reach the city, and by the time we reach the city, at show time.
Yeah.
So
Few
we
years,
change all on
here.
the bus. Figure perform. So you have to learn for all first with a 1 buckle of spring water. I want to tell you.
You hear the struggles as an artist.
In a pretty artist thing.
A lot of people don't know those struggles, you know what I mean? They just see you on the stage,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? They just see everything and just feel like the girls them screaming, but they don't
think it's cool,
understand
man.
what's
Yeah.
going on behind. Sometimes you probably don't want to eat before a show, and you know what I mean?
A lot, only part time, man. Only part time you go here all the way hungry.
And you still haven't sing them notes.
Yeah, the passion of what you love doing, you know, so you come with the territory.
Yeah. So from that, after that tour there,
Yeah.
after you reach back at Jamaica, then what was next?
I mean, me still a record.
Yeah.
Still a record. Me have a song with him, Can't Get Enough, my recorded for
Oh, remember that now. That's what
7 records, Kurt Riley.
A heartstrings rhythm. Yeah, man, heartstrings rhythm, yeah.
First song where we get some serious
Yeah.
play for the teenager.
And Chris Martin was on that.
Just cool, man.
Yeah.
And it's the first song, my first official video as
Okay.
the major.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so my first
So that's
official
when it start.
single.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I remember me go up on a show. Arif Cooper was telling me about it. Arif Cooper from Fame, man. And I
Yeah.
was saying, yo, that new song that we have major, Wicked.
Yeah, yeah.
Arif Cooper was playing on the show, on the show, so he might play my tracks. Bro. Walk on and start singing the song and I see the response. And I said, no, suck. I remember Jamaica, the hardest place.
True. That's
To
very
perform
true.
and for please, you know.
Yeah.
Seeing so.
Yeah.
When I see that, I said, no, that song really have a little buzz.
Yeah. And you use a new artist sometime.
Yeah, man. First.
So after that, no, I heard a song after that, named Real No Real.
Oh, gosh, man.
And I feel like
To this
that
day.
song there
To this day.
is a song
Yeah, man. To
that
this day.
represent D Major.
Universal, you know.
Yeah.
To this day, anywhere I go, anywhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere I go, I
The
have
biggest
to perform
forward.
that. Have to perform that song. You know, and dub plate wise to I'm a most requested song, dub plate wise.
Just
you know?
can you give them a piece of that song there,
Yeah.
please?
Reaching out to every youth, yes. From you know you represent the truth, DJ Young say. Every man, every lane. Yes, 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 every trench, every drain. So we kick it like this. Real no real boy, yeah. Real no real boy, yeah.
Mad.
So tell the artificial them disappear like vapor. DJ Young's the people cheer for. See it? Yeah, man.
Real No Real, that's why I'm
Every
here with my
time.
boy D
Yeah,
Major,
man,
you know what I
every
mean?
time, brother.
I don't
Yeah,
just
man.
scoop in that basketball, but I'm gonna soon get it back.
Real no real, man.
So after having a song like that, Real No Real No, what was the response to D Major career, like
Yeah, man.
as far as the industry and the people them, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
The audience.
That was next level that now.
Yeah,
Next level that now, you know, with the as I said, audience, double request, everything.
yeah,
You know, you start getting interviews, everything step up.
yeah,
I'm not, you know what I'm saying?
yeah, yeah,
So, and anywhere in the world, I go, I know I have to sing that song there.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And after that, some
was-
of the penthouse for a little while, I do something like I'm a virgin busy the day.
Okay,
Busy in the
okay.
vibe.
We
you
got
know,
busy, you
because
know, CT
busy,
on.
busy the base at penthouse, working from penthouse, you know. At the same time, do part-time recordings, basically.
Yeah,
And so we come through one day, man, and go through, and from that, we just did I do some write and a record together, you know.
and to
So one day, I record on Unga Barunga them. Notice production.
Notice.
Have a rhythm.
which
It's
one?
Vice. Heart and soul, man.
So how that
Busy
go again?
vibes, busy vibes, and we write, we are co-write and we in there build vibes, because some of it right, you know,
Yeah,
one busy in the device room and we're there, throwing out one line here, one line there. As a DJ, no, the line didn't make it.
Yeah.
Try this.
Yeah.
And that's sort of vibe they go, you know. Hello baby, can you come over?
Okay.
Right now, loneliness. That song them in their voice.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
man,
history this I never
yeah,
know
man.
that.
And him call it one a lady and she did it. The first part,
Yeah.
everything orchestrated. I saw busy creative and crazy.
Man.
You see me, I say, so when him done,
Yeah.
remember I said, them now, me them send the rhythm, but the rhythm is too nice. I'ma go around there. I'ma say, DJ, never little vibes, you know. I'ma go around there. Me and my baby,
Yeah.
we have our problems.
Man.
And look what me see, I'm busy face. I say, yeah.
Ready.
Half do, yeah, man.
Ready.
And that song then now one of the most requested song for D major in Africa.
I was gonna say that.
Certain
Yeah.
part of Europe too. As well as that song named Girl of My Dreams.
But
Big up.
does that amaze you for like the response in a major country, a continent as Africa? It's not a country,
Of course.
continent.
Of course. So far away too. You know.
Yeah.
The love in Africa is,
It's real.
brother, it not normal. It's almost dangerous because we go Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Man, them surround the lemon, you know, the people them surround the lemon and
Shake it.
you know, dog.
It,
See me I say?
Zim,
Crazy.
zim,
So it can
zim.
it can get dangerous, you know?
Yeah.
So, but it's no other love, man, and then the people, them, the welcome. From the minute they step out of the airport,
True. You get the love.
get the love. Just
Man.
Yeah, man.
So from that, it seemed like Busy still not leave you. I remember
Yeah, man.
his home coming back to CT Hartford, Connecticut.
Yeah, man.
You was
100%.
there.
Ah,
You
yeah,
was
see,
there.
yeah. A brother, man, a family, you know.
Yeah.
It's not just artist brethren.
Yeah.
You see me, I say? Yeah, man, we run joke and we toast and we just
Yeah.
chill out and thing. And
Yeah.
me understand busy temperament too.
Yeah.
So that is the next thing. And most people don't understand it. Most people have it say, you see me?
Yeah.
Yo, John, busy, dark and rude and
Yeah.
But me understand, you see me?
Yeah.
So I'm a brethren, a family man, I'm a brother.
Yeah, so I'd like to see it coming. Y'all have a new song together right now.
Yeah.
The girls, I'm love it.
Yeah.
What's the song name again?
Baby, come give me something, no. Cause I can't stop loving easy. You see me? I said the spin off for the title.
And the video,
Yeah,
the
man.
video's out.
Yeah.
It's doing real good right now.
Yeah, big up Barry Dance group in New York. You see me? I said they really help us out because it was shot last year, you know, the whole pandemic, you know, we can't do
Yeah.
bungle up and do what we want to do.
The road right.
Visual wise, so then do a routine in New York will look like what we did in Jamaica, so the video just look like a one place, everything
Yeah.
look. But if you watch it closely, two
I gotta
different
go
places.
back and look.
Yeah, man.
I never
mean, you might
noticed.
not even realize.
Yeah.
Watch me
Didn't
watching
even
it back.
notice.
I just because me know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're in New York, so I have
Okay.
to big up by a dance crew. You see me? I say,
Alright, big them
I'm a
up.
brother Busy Signal, see me. You see me? I say, yeah, man. And that song actually, you know, my first production. Antilovian Records. That's my record.
Okay.
You know, so this is my first production.
What was the label?
Antilovian.
Alright, hear that.
Records.
So
Yeah, man.
you're a personal label.
Yeah,
then?
man.
So
Yeah,
you're
man.
building new upcoming artists, or is
I'm
it
gonna
just
start
focus
take on the part there yet,
Okay.
but that is the goal.
Okay.
See me, I say?
It's gonna be us all singing. You think to make all singers?
Bad
or-
artists, just bad artists.
Alright,
You know, we
so
can
look
help
out
and
for that.
develop. Yeah, man.
Look out for that.
Yeah.
And so that was one cover you did, but you have a next cover that you
Yeah.
did recently with this one right here. It go crazy.
Yeah,
you have
man.
one of the baddest DJ in Jamaica.
You know, man.
You know what I
AKA
mean?
Selector.
Selector.
Yeah. Return
Artist.
MC, yeah, man. Big up
ZJ
CJ
Liquid.
my
Yeah,
brother.
Mobia's son.
Yeah, man. Mobia's son. Big up yourself. Go crazy.
Yeah, that
It's a
song
get-
there
it's a
bad.
pick up now with the rotation.
Yeah.
Even in Africa too.
Yeah.
So, you know, I go and pressure that. You know, you don't know.
I
Yeah,
love the
man.
work. I love the movements,
Yeah,
Major. You
man.
know what I mean? You've been doing it for a
Yeah.
while now.
Yeah, man.
And it's like the respect is growing.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Definitely.
I know in the industry you're very respected.
Yeah.
They're like, I see you around the likes of Busy,
Yeah.
Chris Martin,
Yeah.
Assassin,
Yeah.
AJ Sasko, I should say.
Yeah.
And the list go on and on.
Yeah, man.
You know
Yeah,
what I
man.
mean?
Yeah, man.
So it's like, where is Major when he come to like the album aspect of your career now?
I mean, we have enough songs, I think, to do an album, but you want to make sure when you put out an album, when you release an album, you have singles that are already generating interest.
Yeah.
You don't want to just drop album because it sound good. Yeah, man, I drop an
yeah.
EP next week. I drop an album next week.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to have a purpose. It
True.
have to make sense when you're forward, you know?
True.
So, we just go on thing, like you said, everything that's a build a momentum.
Yeah.
So as soon as that is thing that we feel, because the people deserve a D-Major album now.
No,
I want to make sure so the timing is right, because timing is everything.
I feel like it's almost there, man.
Yeah, man.
I feel like it's almost there. You have to start pre it soon.
Yeah,
you know
man.
what I mean?
Yeah, man. Definitely, I
Start
look into
pretty
it, man.
soon.
I look into it, man. Yeah, man. There's a brand new single though, I have to talk about.
Alright, what's that?
So me I say, big up my brother, big up my co-worker, Kabaka Pyramid.
Okay.
So me I say he produced this whole project called Victory Rock Rhythm.
Yeah.
I have a song on it named She Nah Give It Away. Now big up to the faithful ladies then. The side chick them I get whole heap of glory from what they are, which is nothing is wrong with that. So
Yeah.
me I say the side chicks are relevant.
Yeah.
So me I say, and them serve them purpose.
Yes,
But
sir.
we still have to big up, we have to keep the scale balance, we have to big up the faithful ladies because you have some woman, young can go away.
Yeah.
And she nah give it away. No
Yeah.
matter how a boy full of style and come and want tell her all kind of things, she nah give it away. Young son.
Baby, make sure you not give up every day at Jamaica. You know what I mean?
Alright, see the youngster Jamaica. So guess what? She nah give it away. So big up them woman,
Oh,
real
oh,
queen
God.
them there. Yeah man.
How the song go? Give a piece of it.
Yeah,
now?
man. She don't give her love away. She keep it to herself, even when I am away. She not let see nobody else, even when I go 1,000,000 miles away. Boom! My baby saves her loving for me. She not give it away. And even when I'm gone, I know that she won't stray. Well, yes, she saves her loving for me. She not give it away. Listen, keep it right, she keep it clean. And she not make no other lion intervene. No disturbing my queen. All when me not there on the scene, hey, sure, hey,
Don't
sure.
give it away,
Look
don't
here,
give
man.
it
She not
away.
give it away, man.
You know, it sounds like it's the next hit from Major.
Yeah, man. A really nice, refreshing
Yeah.
reggae project, you know what I say? And already it a pick up in my breeding ground for reggae, which is Africa, Kenya and some other places in Africa, you know.
Yeah.
People really loving the track, the first listen. So when that is a pattern, I know. Once the first listen, them I give them back the response,
Yeah.
I'm sure it's gonna do well.
Well,
you know?
yeah,
Yeah, man, so
Kenya
everybody
is the
go
place.
check out She Nah Give It Away. All digital platforms and the Victory Rock Rhythm, Kabaka Pyramid, big up yourself.
Look
brother.
out for that. Look out for that. So you don't know Major. So tell the people which part for reach you, cause you know you have
Yeah.
the YouTube,
Yeah.
your IG.
Yeah, man, the website is www.
Oh, you have the website. Okay.
dmajormusic.com. So I say music with a Z. I can just go to the IG, the link in the bio, and you click it, and everything D-Major will pop up. See?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So you don't know outside in JA,
Yes, sir.
Radios Road.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? St. Richardson Primary
Yeah.
with the king himself, D Major.
Put up back a few more shots. Eh?
Alright, yeah, we're gonna do it because we need a
All-Star
rematch.
weekend, you know.
We need a rematch.
All-Star weekend.
A real way.
Yeah.
So we out Premier Music, D Major.
She don't let see nobody else. So even when I go 1,000,000 miles away, my baby saves her loving for me. She not give it away. And even when I'm gone, I know